Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I have a Stitch Fix. I think this is 84, I think I did 85. I've been getting this quite a few years now. I literally received this morning. I'm filming on, I don't know what today, Saturday. So I just slit the tape. You do get a prepaid USPS mailer. I'll just move that to the side. In each bag to send back whatever, you don't love. Get an envelope. This is your invoice. And I'm just going to peek here. 85 is the fix. You get a card here. And this will have your style note. Which I can kind of see. Style note. And then these are the items you're getting. And they just give you a little style, tips there if you need it. And I'm just going to move this to the side because I don't want to look at prices just yet. Looks like I have some shoes. Let's see what the Bible is. Okay, I'm just going to locate that here. So this is a look here. And this side, if that helps. So Stitch Fix is women, kids, and men's, fashion boxes, style boxes, whatever you want to call them. $20 styling fee per box. Buy what you love, send back what you don't. You have 3 days to decide. You check out online. The day you receive your box is day 1, so keep that in mind. Keep all 5 items, receive a discount. And I've noticed on mine, if I keep 4, you save 25%. If you keep all 5, and I've seen keep 4, you get 15% discount. So I'm not sure, that's also an added bonus because sometimes you don't want that 5th product or it's totally not right for you. So now they're doing a discount if you keep 4. They do the style shuffle on their website. Every 24 hours you can do that. And it just, it does help. So I'm going to do the shoes first. These are Keds Center 3 lace-up sneaker gray, size 6. Oh, these are nice. Oh, these are really nice from Keds. Nice gray. Here's the profile. The Keds. These are nice, and these are canvas. Nicely padded, heel. These are really nice. I like. And then obviously, here's the other one. So we will try them on. I have to be careful with Keds. Sometimes the 6 is slightly too big. It really depends on the cut of the Ked. Honestly, with the Keds brand, I've had 6s in the past that have been fine. I've received 6s and my heel's coming out the back. They're just too big. And it's not that it's just from Stitch Fix. I've ordered directly from Keds, and they've never been tried on before. They're brand new, not returned items. And some cuts just are bigger, and I, can't do it. And if I can do a 5.5 in some Keds, but not all the times. It really depends. Like the leather Keds, I can do a 5.5 if my foot's coming out of it, because leather will stretch a little bit, but not canvas, because, that just doesn't work for me. Some of these I did choose in the preview. You do get a preview and of 4, 8, 9, maybe 10 items, 10 or 12 items, something like that. And you pick the 5 you want in your box. If you don't like anything, don't pick anything. They'll repick and you'll get a second preview. I think I picked 3 items. I think 3. I'm not really sure. I don't remember. I think 3, and then the other 2. Like, I didn't know about the Keds, and there's one other top here I don't know about. But this I did pick, and this is from Love Ellie. This is Mackenzie Cable Knit Cardigan Pink Medium. I need a cardigan like this, the button-down style. And I didn't care about the pockets, per se. This is like a real soft, almost like a purpley pink. But I figured this will be perfect. What I'm looking for the fall, which before, summer only lasts for so long. And I could wear this now if I needed to. I doubt it's ever going to ever have cool because it's hot. I think somebody forgot to put the oven off. I feel like we're getting fried here on Earth. And I know we're not anywhere near what some people are like. I know next week, one of our days is in the triple digits. So with the humidity, it's just going to be oppressive. But I'm excited to try this on. Nice little cable knit design. Closed cable knit. Sometimes they're too open for me, but I'm excited to give that a try. I do have some things in mind for that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is there anything on the Okay, this might be okay. This is from the North Face, which I send back all the time and tell them don't send me North Face. They, in my preview, were long jeans, and I'm like, for the millionth time, no long jeans in the summer. Don't send them to me. I'm not going to buy them. So, you know, but I've said the same thing about North Face. I send them, I think I kept one North Face long sleeve tee for the fall and winter. I've sent everything else back. I don't like all the graphics, but this doesn't seem too bad. Half dome short sleeve tee, black medium. So this is just, you know, your basic black tee right here. And then it just is the half dome on the front. So that, I mean, that's not horrible. It's not my favorite with all that on there, but that's okay. I don't mind that one, but because there's nothing on the back. And then this is navy blue. I don't know. Oh, this is a nice material. This is 9 Britain violet knit top. This is navy, and this is a medium. So this is just a plain scoop neck, or rounded neck, I should say, tee. That it's a little weightier material. It's not super flimsy. Straight bottom, but there's detail on it, right? Where did I see it? Like this kind of detail on the side, the buttons, snaps, I mean, and they are working snaps. Nice. Okay. Yeah, they are working because one of them is undone. Not that I would undo them, but I guess if you needed to undo the bottom one, you could. Let me see this material. Poly. Rayon spandex. It doesn't feel it, you know, it feels nice though. So this feels nice material. I don't know if this would be too hot for the summer, honestly, but we'll give this a try. That's nice. And then, right? Yeah. I initially liked this one, which was the green one. And then I saw the navy and said, huh, let me try. So they're the exact same shirt. I just got the 2 different colors to see which one I would like better, or if I like both. And I have navy and green, so these are both, and the bottom is undone. I wonder if you're supposed to leave it undone to allow more room. And this one is just the green, I think. Mint. If they're calling this mint, I would not call that mint. Usually mint is like more, mint is more like this color, like a lighter green. This is not mint. It's just a green. That's not bad. Honestly, they're, I don't know. I mean, lengthwise, I'm not going to know. We'll have to see. So 2 tops are the same, but different colors. The North Face, we'll see. And then, obviously, that I'm excited to try. So give me a few minutes. I'll reset up the area where I film, and we'll be back for the try-on. So I decided to do the cardigan first. This is obviously pink, size medium, $45. Not a bad price. Really, I mean, I can't tell you. I bought a cardigan on Amazon, you know, shorter style like this, to wear more dressy, not to necessarily wear so casual. It was a cable knit. It was a little thicker of a cable knit. And I think it was like $40 or $50. So, like, I can't complain. Like, I know their prices seem high, but they're really not. Cardigans are expensive. This one is perfect for what I wanted for. Could I wear it if I was going somewhere with air conditioning and wanted a shorter cardigan? Absolutely. This was something that I saw and liked, and asked that they include it in my box because I have a specific reason for wanting it. For an outfit, and then I can just wear it with, you know, blue, black, gray. You know, you could wear it with denim, and oh, you know, I can, once I use it for what I intend to use it for, you know, then I'll just wear it, just like I do my cardigan that I got in March. So this is nice and not bad. It's perfect. It's not bulky. I'm gonna have a blouse on underneath, so that'll be tucked into dress pants. So this will be perfect. Probably wouldn't button it. And, you know, sometimes these get out of shape. And you can just, you know, fix them so that they're not. And just to have something light on. So this is ideal. I'm happy with this. So let's give this a try and see what I think. We have the North Face tee. And this is the half dome short sleeve tee. Black size medium, $30. They are expensive. The fit is phenomenal. I mean, The shoulder lines are right on. The sleeves are perfect. Sometimes they're too long. I don't like that. The fit is good. This, you know, it is what it is. Length is fine. You know, comes to the top of my legs. There's room in it. It's not tight anywhere. So this is not bad, as long as it didn't have anything on the back. If it had graphics on the back, this would be a no. This I could get away with. I would wear it in the house. I would wear it out. North Face is a good brand. It's not that it's not a good brand. So let's move on. So I like this. It's not, you know, it's a contender. Let's move on and see what I think of these tops. So I have the 9 Britain Violet knit top on in navy. Says medium. They're $39. So I'm not going to try this one on because they're going to fit identical. So here's the green. I'm going to fit the same way. So we'll just fold you back up, or kind of fold you back up. I like the top. It's a little heavy towards the bottom, probably because of all the snaps. I think, hopefully you guys can see me. I'm going to try to stand on my tippy toes here. I just think it's a little bit long, but I still would wear it. I think this does give some nice detail. It like brings your eye not so straight up and down. It's cute for a plain shirt. I could see why maybe this was left open on a lot of them, maybe for some extra room, like when you're sitting. I don't know how I feel about that being open, but we'll see. It's comfortable. I mean, it fits properly in the shoulders, and the sleeve length is fine. It fits across here. The back is fine. It's not tight in any way. It's not grabbing, not showing, you know, any, you know, lumps and bumps. Cute. I'm not 100% sure. But, so this is the blue one, and then this is the green. So these will fit the same. They're the identical top. So let me come back and we'll give the sneakers a try. Okay. So I have the Keds on. Don't mind this shoelace. I just tightened them real quick on the outside. These are adorable. Let me turn this way so you can see the other side. Cute, cute. I really like them a lot. My heel does not come out of them. They're comfortable. I like that they're canvas, a dark gray canvas. And I might keep these. These are $60, and Keds are expensive. So let me come right back with you, and I'll tell you my final thoughts. Okay, before we get started, Stylist picks subtotal is $213. File discount of 25%. I would say $53.25. My Style Pass did not renew for whatever reason. Like, I don't care. I have a $20 style fee and credit, so this entire box is $139.75. So not bad. Considering I have Keds in here, which are $60, which I'm leaning towards keeping. I'm also leaning towards keeping the cardigan, which is $45. And then these, you'll tell me. So the blue, navy top with the snaps I tried on. So let me know what you thought of that. And then I have the green one. And then let me know what you thought about this. I mean, I would wear this, you know. A lot of times I'm in the house. I'm not out. Like I have this on today. I would go out and it doesn't, you know, it doesn't bother me that much. As long as it's not all over the place and it's not on the back. So, and if I kept 4, I think there's a 15% discount, if I'm not mistaken. So for sure, I think the cardigan and the Keds, which is $60, which is $95, plus then I have my $20, so that's $75. When the whole box is $140, so then for 3 more pieces, you know, you gotta like think of it that way. So let me know your thoughts. I'm not sure on the tops, to be honest. So let me know your thoughts, and would you keep them? You know, like I said, I'm not sure. And I'll wait to hear from you. And of course, I just dropped that. Bending over it these days is tough, so it's going to stay there. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Bye for now.